Hello there, you're on the Tony Trades channel, where I share my trading knowledge with you. I hope you're not missing any of my videos because I put a lot of effort into them. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Oh, and of course, join my free Telegram community because trading strategies aren't the only things that I share with you. Bots, guides, trade breakdowns, live trading, all this and more can be found there. Follow the link in the description or scan the QR code. There are already quite a lot of you and that makes me very happy. Now let's get to the strategy. Today in our trading strategy, we will be using moving averages, specifically EMA. Let's add them to the chart and also add a fractal. First, we configure our moving averages. We select a period of 20 for the first EMA, set the color to blue, make the line bolder and click Save. For the second EMA, we choose a period of 50, keep it green, make it slightly bolder and save. The third and most important EMA has a period of 100. We set it to red and make it bold as well. Now we can see a fractal breakout occurring. We focus primarily on whether the high of the previous fractal has been broken, and it has, which signals an upward trend. We also look for moving averages. If the exponential moving averages are pointing upward, it confirms the uptrend. Exponential moving averages are calculated with an emphasis on the most recent closed candles, which makes them more responsive to price changes. The first trade closes. A good start. Let's keep going. We see that a fractal breakout has occurred. We notice the previous high and that the price rose above it, confirming the breakout. I opened a buy trade without waiting for the EMAs to realign, as they are already showing an upward movement. There's almost no doubt about the signal. You can use 2 or 5 minutes to trade entry. You can use 2 or 5 minutes for trade entry. But in that case, switch to a higher time frame and focus on longer candles. The second trade closes as well. The strategy is performing well. Let's search for the next signal. Note that when the chart reaches an EMA level, it will likely experience fluctuations. We see an attempt to pass the EMA level, but the overall trend is upward. We can bounce off the dynamic level, wait for the price to get close to the 50 EMA and support the move. I open a buy trade. The chart has bounced off a level that has already acted as support twice. That confirms this level as dynamic support. Let's wait for the trade to finish. Yes, the trade closes. It doesn't matter whether it was a correction or a market reversal. Looking for the next signal. There's an interesting movement on the chart. These are the kind of moves I often support. So I open a sell trade. We rely on the overall trend direction, which is downward. The exponential moving averages also indicate a downtrend. You can switch to the 5-minute chart to see what's happening. It's the same situation. Maybe I acted too soon and should have waited. It appears to be a correction. That's how I see it. I'll duplicate the trade a little bit later. No worries. The overall trend direction remains intact. I open another sell trade. There's a strong chance the market will go lower. Always remember the loss compensation system. I'll never stop reminding you about it. Let's wait for the trade to close. Take note. The signal worked with a slight correction, just as I mentioned at the beginning. That's where we'll wrap up. This strategy performed really well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I truly care about your opinion, and if you want me to break down another strategy, don't hesitate to comment about it too. I read everything, and your feedback is really important to me. If you want to learn from me, join my private pro community on Telegram. There I host live trading sessions, share tons of educational material, and post various tools I personally use. It's all free. You just need to message me via the QR code or the link in the description. Then I'll send you an invitation along with a special bonus, but only for the first 10 people who message me after this video. So don't wait. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and drop your comments. Good luck.